Hey everybody, I just want to give you an update on my finds for this year. These are all of my coins and such and jewelry that I found since about the beginning of this year, or maybe around April or May when I started detecting. I didn't do it much as far as I do a little bit more now at the end of the year. In the beginning I'd do it maybe once every week or every other week. Now I'm more like 2 or 3 times a week. So I got over 300 pennies. This is zinc and copper, about almost 2 pounds. So I got that. I just found these today, and I actually got some Chuck E. Cheese. I think I got another Chuck E. Cheese in here too somewhere. I thought this was a quarter because they kind of look the same color, don't they? And I did it at night, so I'll post that night video later on it on the finds. I was trying to help a guy find some jewelry. He had a what was it, a silver necklace that his son lost in a park that I was detecting, and I looked for it, so I spent a little more time than normal to try to find it. And these are some dimes here too. So anyway, pennies, dimes. This one was unusual, came up to 74 because it was bent. Nickels, found a lot of nickels. No jewelry, unfortunately. We got 5 quarters and then 2 Chuck E. Cheese to add to my collection. Here's some of the jewelry that we found. Dog tags. I actually called one and gave it back to a lady just for the fun of it, and he said her dog got stolen, so she was really nice. She was happy to have that back. I went over to her house and gave it to her. This other one, he said he got a better one. No, this one, he got a better one. This one I haven't called yet, so I probably won't. And here's some really bling bling necklaces. Or now these are actually not necklaces. These are bracelets. And they're kind of corroded a little, so we know they're not real. Oh, here's the other Chuck E. Cheese here. And I found a really cool medallion. It's actually a safety token. 5 safety points. I guess that's what was it for school. It's made out of, I think, copper or brass. Probably copper. Some bling bling jewelry. Here's Thor's hammer. If you want to put in some small nails. It's basically jewelry. Another thing I went through, some jewelry, a necklace. Bling bling rings here. Another bling bling. I thought it was a crown, but it's actually, my wife said it's a ring. And some shoe jewelry, and a little pendant there. I love you. These are another. I thought I had a really cool ring. I thought, oh, that looks too fake to be real. And it's plated. It's coming apart. These are 925 silver. It's missing the bottom diamond on here. It's like a kid's ring. This is just a plain old silver ring. And I'm not sure what that is. That's probably a penny, maybe. Part of a bracelet. I couldn't find the rest of it. Another little thing here. I think there had something attached here because this is magnetic. I don't think I have anything metal here, do I? Where's some metal here? Oh, there we go. It's magnetic. I thought that was probably had something attached to it. This is half a heart. Looks like it's been on the ground for quite a while. Earrings over here. Another maybe earring. This is 925 as well. When it came with a chain, it broke on the end. That's why somebody lost it in the play sand area. Alrighty, and frame I checked out at a house that burned down. I'm not sure if it got detected out, but there was only 3 pennies there, and that was it. Some cards I found in the tot lot in the sand. This one was in the regular schoolyard in the dirt, buried. You're always gonna find keys. I always feel sorry for people, especially when it says do not duplicate. That means it's probably their house key or an important key. Couldn't believe I found a crochet needle. My wife said she has too many of them. You're going to find these all the time, you know, it's with the vape paraphernalia there. Odds and ends, nuts and bolts, especially at the kiddie area, you're going to find bolts fall out of them, or when they put them together, they didn't bother to pick them up. So you're going to find a lot of these stainless steel bits of stuff. On my other detector, I'm selling this. I'm going to put that another video on YouTube and offer up as well. I'm asking $275 for that, and I just did a video on the 4 coils and the whole bag and everything that comes with it. This is the best coin I found with that particular detector. It was a 1942 Liberty $50, 8 inches down, and that was with the middle coil, not the good one. This one goes a little deeper. So anyway, I'm keeping in that though. What else? There's some of the junk you'll find, and they'll give different signals depending on how long they've been in the ground. This is pretty rusty. A lot of these are, you know, they come up jewelry, so whatever comes up over here, these are going to come up close to it too. So you got to dig this stuff. These you can discriminate a little bit. if you're careful and hit the coil right, you're going to hear it metal out, null out. These always sound good, and you're going to have to dig the aluminum stuff, including the aluminum trash here, and also lots of copper wire and stuff you'll pick up and such. And so anyway, this is what I've got so far. I think about maybe 25 bucks worth of stuff. I was kind of cool. I found this in a tot lot. It was about 2-3 inches down. Some kid probably got it from his grandpa, and he lost it. And that was sad. But these are all dimes, nickels, and quarters. I have over a roll of $10 quarters here I can do, and nickels. I'm sure I can get rolls on each of these, maybe a couple on that one, I don't know, on the dimes. But that is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe down here at the bottom, new icon I put on there, and also put a like if you liked it. I will do some more videos, and we'll do a recap of finds as we find more stuff, and we'll just start over again, see how we do next year. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Bye.